Yo, yo, yo. Your favorite master ranked Risk Online player here, Butte Dupe, sporting the green coats. And if you're new to my channel, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get slightly above average Risk Online play. I'm not a grandmaster. If you want to see perfect play, go find one of the other guys. You're at the wrong place. But if you want to find a place where you can comment and add to me becoming a better player, this is the right place for you. Look at this capital here. Has some noob corner stuff going on. I could cap there. I don't like that. I kind of like this, but pink caps here and just has a monster game. I could cap here, mess pink up, but he still caps here and gets this. I think we're gonna get this. That's my favorite, yeah. That's the best I see. Not bad. We're going to have a pretty cool late game capital. Pink, you got a cap beside me. That's a really cool capital. I'll just control the northern half of the map. You control the southern half of the map. Your half is probably better, to be honest. Because somebody's going to cap here, and they're never going to let me hold this. They just control Spain, or France, excuse me. Pink does not want it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this bonus first, and then I'm going to take this bonus second. And I'm going to spread out from the middle of the board, and then nobody's ever going to be able to fully break me. That's going to be the way we play this match. White's there. Well played, White. White, you don't get to hold that bonus either, I don't think. I may choose to harass White this game. We'll see. I don't know. I've said I'm going to attack people at times, and then I don't. So we're going to see. I don't really know how I'm going to play this. But it's going to be a good game. That is guaranteed. You know why? Because you're going to see slightly above optimal play. Ah. There's red. We thought somebody would be there. We did think that would be the case. Let's see if we can find some more information out. Wait a second. Oh, look at this. If I can win this roll, and I can, and there's yellow, so we take 2 bonuses. Probably doesn't hold up. I'm going to do this. I'm going to move 1 there. I don't think red will hit that. Hopefully yellow doesn't hit my 2. Hopefully he takes this bonus. It's a kind of a tough spot. What is pink hitting me for? Pink, Gustaver 99. I guess Gustaver 98 was taken. Red, Icardi. White, Crubino. Black, Kaboomerang. Black, I believe, was the host, if I remember right. Yellow, General Nadai. 13756. I guess General Nadaya 13755 was taken. Why did pink hit me? Weird. I'm gonna watch pink and white and see how they play. Pink's down here and helps white clear this out or something. I don't know. That's a little weird. A little bit weird in my opinion. Did pink add down there? I think he did. Yeah, he didn't start with 6. Why did he do that? Okay, white wants that bonus. Maybe white, maybe. I might let you have it. Sometimes I can be a nice guy, sometimes. Sometimes, but not all the time. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. I do need to keep defending this. Did red get all this? I wasn't watching closely enough. I think I was too distracted by pink hitting me for whatever reason that was. Maybe white and I can work together. That's it's always fun to have an ally. You know, what I have holding over white is white knows I can always break him. Let's see if yellow breaks me. He does. That's not my favorite, man. Careful. Careful. You go again. He hits there. Does he hit one more? Does he own it all? You might be my project, Yellow. You might just be my project. I dare Yellow to do something about it. He can't have many on his capital right now. Red, we need to be friends. I should have skipped this. I was trying to do everything. I should have not hit that 2. It's just straight here and here. That's okay. That's okay. Not the best play. But maybe I can take over Germany. And then I can meet Yellow from Germany. Or, no. My play is Eastern Europe. Nobody's in Eastern Europe. I don't think anyone has any interest in Eastern Europe. I can always break Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe is mine. That's the play. Yeah. And maybe we can path it where we can have a straight shot. I come off the 2, come this way, and come down there. Probably don't get it on the first turn, and that's okay. All right, Red, I can see we're going to be friends. I like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4 capitals. Yellow made the right play, knocking me out of there. Almost wish I wouldn't have attacked them. They did break me. I don't have a lot of business being up there, but probably should have left them alone, honestly. It was a diplomatic error. Okay, White spreads out to North Africa. Well played. White's playing a very reasonable game. Wasn't Black in Gascony? I know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't know where the other capital is. Be great if it's in Andalusia, but it's probably up in Rusciala, or maybe down here in Georgia or South Russia. Not really sure yet, though. Well played. Well played. You got it. You win. You win. Yellow's going to try to take everything over. Okay. Let's slide for accuracy. Let's leave a 2 to let people know we're not done with that. So Yellow's playing a pretty good game. I got to give them credit. I wasn't really sure about that. I don't really like their capital, and that's sometimes telling. But maybe they didn't have a whole lot of other options. So who knows? We're friends with Red. We're friends with White. So we have 2 allies. We have 1 enemy. We don't really have a relationship with Black or Pink. Although, does Pink have a bonus? Pink starts with 5. I was wondering if they're in Germany at this point. Okay. Red goes bad neighbor to White. And we get to see it. But Red's good neighbor to me. So when he has something to gain from it, he'll be good neighbor. That actually makes sense. Does he take all of West Africa this turn? Goes here. Yep. Does he come here? Probably should. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe he should defend. I don't know. It's hard to say. He definitely hit White. And he doesn't have West Africa. Let's see how White feels about that. White hits in here? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. White's at war with red. That's good. That's good. Good to know as well. White doesn't like red. I'm friends with both of them. It's always fun. Going for a run here in a little bit, so I'm hoping I can finish this game pretty quickly. White wants to get along with black. Where's black? Is white in Orient? How many did white get? White only got 9. So I think black might be capped in South Russia. Or was white fist bumping yellow? I don't know. It's hard to say. I don't remember. I should have been watching a little more closely. Okay. We're gonna take all of this right now. Slide for accuracy. Beautiful. We'll just go back to cap. Nice safe play. It's definitely ours more than anyone else. Got good relations with our immediate neighbors, and that's always good. Oh, man. Oh, got a phone call. Got to take it. Sorry. Hey, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, in the middle of a risk game, I was thinking you'd said like later than 3:30, so I may have misunderstood that, but yeah, yeah. Perfect. Sounds good, man. All right. See ya. All right. Sorry about that. It's my buddy. He's a big supporter of the channel, you know. He's a fan of me doing Risk. He's not a big Risk player himself, but he's happy for me playing Risk. Why is red not clearing me out? I don't really understand that. Is he just defending against white? But why are you defending against white? You don't even have the bonus. So you're just tempting to hit you without any possibility of holding it. I don't know. How did white get in there? Not real sure how white made it in there. Okay. That was a surprise. Okay. I think I just card skip here. I'm in the first seat. Nobody's taken an early trade. We're just gonna do the safe play and card skip unless yellow attacks me. Red wants to be friends with yellow. Where's yellow coming from? Black wants to be friends with yellow. Everybody wants to be friends with yellow. I don't want to be friends with yellow. Actually, I do. I'm not really sure what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we don't know where the 6th cap is, other than it seems like it should be in Andalusia. Isn't that what I said? And that should be black. Didn't black start out with 9? That would be further evidence that he would be in Spain. Mm-hmm. Let's look at the log. No, black starts with 5. Has he ever started with 9? 5. I don't know. I don't know where black is. Black, gosh, is black in, you know what? Black is in Georgia. I'm saying black is in Georgia. Otherwise, he would have taken the Orient. But why is he not going for Russia? That's interesting. Okay, pink trades. Doesn't matter. We will get the 15 trade now. 4, 8, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. We get the 15 trade. So that's beautiful. I think I make a Russia play next. I think... Do I go to war with yellow? I can destroy yellow, right? Yeah, what could yellow do about it? I can always knock him back to here. I don't know. I don't really want to go to war. That first strike is so important. We're going to see yellow soon. He's going to branch out, but his capital is... It's so bad. Especially for the late game. Oh my goodness, red. Oh my goodness, red. The only one that sees it is pink. That's mine. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that just happened. What was that? Why did he do that? Why did red just do that? Please don't anybody know. Oh, red made an aggressive move against black. Black steals his capital. Pink quits. Black, I need that capital. Yeah, just leave the capital. It's for me. That's my capital. Oh my goodness. That's not going to be enough, sir. I'm going to be taking that, thank you. That's enough to keep anybody else off of it, but that's going to be mine. And I'm incredibly grateful. Why did pink quit? Pink quit after red hit somebody. Not really sure. Not really sure what happened there. Hopefully I get good dice on this cap roll. I really need that capital. More so than I need the bonus. I really don't need the bonus right now. I need that capital. Yellow's down here now. Wow. Nobody's going to know I took it either, by the way. Sorry, black. But I do need that. Whoa! Yeah, nobody knows I stole that. And the leaderboard did not change. I thought that was going to be a 100% roll. It was not. It was not. I guess if I lose it, I can pop. But that would have been really expensive. Black's done. Okay, black's quit, pink's quit. Red's still in the game. Wow. Wow, this is kind of wild. I'm not sure what's going on down there. Is black still on this capital? Probably, unless red just stole it. What is going on? What is going on? You guys, I can possibly... No, somebody's in Gascony. Who's in Gascony and how strong are they? That's a good question. Thanks, I appreciate you complimenting my question. We're just going to try to snowball this game. We really just need to snowball it. Red is full on war with white. White absolutely hates red. What is going on? White adds here and goes... I am so confused. We just stay away from it. We just stay away. Yellow's strong. 25. You think this is a pink kill? I don't know. I'm not ready to kill. It's not even worth it yet. I need bonus. I need to knock red out of here. I may take a peeky poo over here. My position is great, guys. We're in a really strong position. Yellow also is very strong. But I'm totally happy. Yeah, I hear you, red. I hear you. You know what? What if we hide red? I don't know that it matters. I'm not worried about it. I kind of want to look. Wow. Unreal. Unreal. Can we hold that? Is that too greedy? I don't think so. It's olive red. Red's gone for. Maybe I should have left him. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Maybe have a black kill soon. It may be worth going for the black kill. Man, so yellow's spreading around the rest of the map is what's going on. Yellow might steal this capital. Been a good ally to white. Right there, it made a difference. We almost lost +8. Had I attacked white earlier, he might have hit me. Yellow still starts with 25 and 15. He's got like 40. He might hit it, but I don't know. It's expensive. Is it worth it? Probably not. Doesn't help him a whole lot. Okay. He does hit it. Okay. Okay, yeah. Take the whole thing. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now he's wondering what to do. Uh-huh. It's probably a pink kill. No. Let's do this. Let yellow know what I think about that. I'm not a huge fan, yellow. Man, that wasn't a pink kill. Yeah. I should have killed red. I messed up. Got so focused on yellow and the pink kill, I should have killed red. Red's done. White gets the red kill. If anybody gets the red kill, I do want it to be white. Red's botting out here. No, he's not. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's got 5 cards. I have to go for the red kill. If white doesn't go for the red kill and yellow doesn't go for the red kill, I have to go for it. Wow, poor red not having a turn in there. That's unfortunate. Okay, this could be tough against yellow. Yellow did get a good capital here. White doesn't have a capital. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I gotta kill white. I have to kill white. Oh, white, I'm so sorry, buddy. I have to kill white and maybe kill red. And then I just kill everybody. What does yellow do? I almost don't even care if yellow takes my capitals. Uh-huh. He gets I don't want to say well played in case that's not why white quit. White's done for though. But yellow's killing white. Uh-huh. Yeah. Well played. Yellow's playing a good game. You gotta kill black now, right? Yeah, yellow's playing great. He should break me. Does he kill black? Black's gotta be killable. Uh-huh. Well played. Well played. What's he going for here? What's he doing? He thinks he's allowed to hold that? I don't think so. I don't think so, yellow. You're playing well, but not that well. Oh, he's making sure black's not there. Oh, no? I'm not sure what he's doing. Really not sure. We've played well up until that point. Is red killable? That's also a great question. Thank you. I appreciate you saying that. Oh my goodness. And there's pink. Yellow missed some things here. Yeah. And then we kill red. Oh my. Oh my. I think we're going to win. I think we win. I think we win. Yeah, sorry, red. You know what's up. Hopefully we didn't mess this up. Yeah! We first strike yellow. Oh boy. What a game. What a game! Oh, look, we got quite the hold. A little overzealous. A little bit overzealous. Let's see how yellow responds. Woo! It's going to be a tough end game. Maybe he just quits. That would be great. Is expensive to hit these capitals. That's the right play, I think. But probably not the wrong capital full target. He hits this. It's expensive. I think I still win. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I still win this game. Oh, I don't think that was the right play. That was definitely not the right play. Ooh, definitely not the right play. He's losing his mind. Uh-oh, he opened that capital. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's bad news bears. I'm about to have you, buddy. I'm about to have you. Mm-hmm. Good game. Good game. Everything's free, right? Everything's just free. Whoa, boy. Just leave that like that. We add some here. That. Add the rest here. Do this. Do this. Yeah, he totally misplayed this. Oh boy. Good luck. You better turn in or you're done. May still be done anyway. Oh, good game. Good game, yellow. Good game. I don't see any way for him to win this now. Oh my. What are the turn-ins? 50? Oh yeah. Yeah, we just slam him. I just hit everything. That's beautiful. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Oh man, that's so expensive for him to hit it. And then once he does, I have a trade in most likely. Tell me I have a trade in. Are you kidding me? Of course I don't have a trade in. I think he's just botting out. Wow, what a game. Yeah, even if he gets one, I think I still win. That's so expensive to hit one of those. Yeah. All right, guys. What a game. I think yellow definitely misplayed it. He could have done better, but he imploded at the end. I think he just panicked. You get a capital like this, and you can take it. You get this one, but I've got the whole bottom half of the map locked up. So this is good. We're going to climb to Grandmaster, baby. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Yellowbot turns in. He gave up too early. You didn't have to give up here, man. Oh. You did not have to give up. Oh, boy. And that's how you do it. All right. Sweet. Having a good day of Risk so far. I like that. We're 2 out of 3. There's nothing we could have done on the other one. We were up against a novice, a beginner, expert, beginner, and a beginner. Yellow, you could have fought back for the win on that, but that's okay. I'm glad you didn't fight back. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you next time.